Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Going to take up the FREEWING Avanti again, version 2. Had a little bit of fun with her. 80 millimeter, running a 5000 with a 50C discharge HRB 6S. Got the FREEWING afterburner in her. All right. Had a little bit of fun. Get on the center line, and here we go. Running my high rates.
Mid rates.
Come on, mid rates. I'll take her up. 3, 2, 1.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Making sure all my stuff's down. And it is.
Braking.
All right, I'm gonna go down here and stand where I'm a lot more comfortable at.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
And I'm actually gonna go the other side of the field.
Braking. Brakes off.
Okay.
Take off flaps.
Here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
We're gonna take her up. 3, 2, 1.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes. Braking.
There we go.
Brakes off. Flaps up.
That's what I was looking for. Gonna take off from down there.
Take off.
Take off flaps are in. Here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up. Landing flaps.
All right, we're going to tank by kind of slow now.
Gear down.
All right.
Brake
All right, got enough for one more.
Brakes off.
Here we go.
Landing flaps. Brakes. Flaps up.
All right.
Brakes off.
I think we're gonna try and push it for one more, just one more.
Landing flaps. 20 seconds. Braking.
There we go.
Flaps
I
off.
tell you what,
9. Brakes
I
off.
love that brake function,
7.
that reverse thrust.
5.
Boy, that's wonderful.
4. 3. Braking. 1.
There. Get it in the parking spot.
Brakes off.
All right. We flew for 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Timer was set for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. I flew shy by 6 seconds. So let's just see how much juice is in the tank. Got to undo the fire booty. Oh, I'm sorry, the afterburner. And I'll show you where I've got this 5,000 at. 29%. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so good 4 minutes. If you don't do a lot of high-speed stuff like I was doing, you can fly for 4.5 minutes. Absolute stellar, stellar gear. Tough gear. Okay, and show you where I've got that battery. Now that black thing there is the antenna mod I did, so I got something to grab a hold. But that's where I've got the 5,000. That is a 50C 5006S with an HRB brand with a 50C discharge. Love that battery. That my receiver right here is the 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2 with stability. With my gains, because I find that if I'm flying along and she's oscillating too much at higher speeds, I can turn the gains down on that knob, and if she's getting moved around a lot by the wind and everything, then I can turn the gains up a little bit where she flies a little more locked in. That's the beauty of having that knob, is because your conditions change and you can actually literally change on the fly. All right, folks, well, that is the Avanti V2. This is Fat Guy Flies RC saying God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then really cool jets. Bye-bye.